4.2.1.
Yes.
The statement says in the diagram below, B is the foot of the multi-story building. Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, you're
Mhm.
correct. Yeah. Yes, Muha, we are listening.
Three people, D, E, and C, are standing at the windows on 3 different floors.
Sure. Yeah.
They are all looking at object A on the ground, which is
Sure.
in the same horizontal plane at B.
Sharp.
Area AC, it's equals to 9 units. BC
Yeah.
equals to 5 units. Angle A1, A2, and A3 are all equal.
So we have this one being equaling to this one being equaling to this one. Yeah?
Yes.
Sure. Okay. What then do you propose we do then after it?
Question of 4.2.1, it says calculate the size of CAB.
Okay.
Then
let's do 4.2.1. Okay. They say you should calculate. Let's highlight whatever it is that you're talking about. So it's CAB. They're talking about this whole angle here.
yes.
Okay. How do you go about doing calculating that one?
I will first.
Let's take triangle. Let's look at triangle. So I'm going to say in triangle. Let's look at triangle ACB. Let's take out that triangle so that you'll see it. So we have triangle. We have C here, we have B here, and then we have A here. And then we are told which BC is 5. Okay? And then we are told that AC is equaling to 9. And then we are told which this thing here is 90 degrees. Okay?
Yes.
And then it makes this thing here opposite to 90. This side here, it makes it to be what?
The hypotenuse side.
So this is going to be our hype side. No? Okay, now if this is our hype side, then Tina, we are looking for this angle here, which is this angle here. Let's call it angle A because it's A1, A2, and A3, all of them combined. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So we'll say let's check what is it that we are given. We have the hypotenuse to A, which is 9. Okay. We do have the hypotenuse of A. We also have something which is this thing here. What should you say in relation to A? Is it opposite or adjacent to A?
Opposite to A.
It's opposite to A. Okay? So I'm going to go to SOHCAHTOA. Let's go to SOHCAHTOA. Now, if I go to SOHCAHTOA, I'm going to look for something that has an opposite and a hypotenuse. Because again, I know what is the opposite. I also know what is the hypotenuse. Hence, I'm going to take that one, the one that has an opposite and a hypotenuse. Now, which one has the opposite and a hypotenuse?
Sine.
It's the sine. Okay, so I'm going to take the sine. If I take the sine, it says which is the sine of A. The sine of A is going to be equaling to opposite. Our opposite is going to be BC again, which is 5. No?
Yes.
All over our hypotenuse side, which is AC again.
9.
Which is 9. Eh? And then from here onwards, then you can say, okay, but now A is going to be given as the sine arc of 5 all over 9. And then we're going to try that in our calculator and check what we get. So we're going to say shift sine, and then we have 5 all over 9. Yeah. And then what do we get for that?
33.74.
33.75. Ne?
75. Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
75.
A is going to be equal to 33.75 degrees. Okay. Now we got our 2 marks. So we can safely say, okay, here we have 1, we have 2, which is 2 marks. Okay.
So, Mr.
Yes, Muhal.
So what if I cross multiply?
You cross multiply here. You said this one multiplied by this one. Yeah, you can cross multiply, but it's not going to assist you. I can remember you're looking for A. Even if you cross multiply, it's not going to assist you. You need that sign to be on its own so that you can get the sine arc. If sine is not on its own, then you can't get sine arc. Remember, you wanted to get sine arc. Yeah, so cross multiplying was not going to help you. You are going to cross multiply if you're looking for a side. Sure. Okay, now what else were we told? Let's go and check them. We go to 4.2.2. Jane.
Sir.
Remember, Jane, we are told that A1 is equaling to A2, which is equaling to A3 again. Okay, with that being said, let's go to 4.2.2. How would you approach 4.2.2?
And there they say we must calculate the length of AE. They say we must calculate the length of AE.
Yeah, let's highlight this, the side that you're looking for. So you're looking for A to E, which is this side, okay?
Yes.
Sure.
And then
yeah,
I have the angle.
Yeah, we can get, we don't have the angle, but we can get it.
Angles.
Yeah?
I have two angles.
Yeah, we know, remember, Jane, we know what is the angle from. We know which from here up until here, we know that angle, okay? Starting from here up until here. They told us which is 33.75. Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So because we know this one here, but we are told which A1 and A2 and A3 are equal. Yeah? Meaning we can say A1 plus A2 plus A3 is going to be equaling to 33.75. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Yeah, and then let's check which triangle are we going to use. Remember, we are looking for AE again. If we are looking for AE, then it makes sense for us to use the following triangle. We're going to use triangle AEB. So let's take out the triangle that we're going to work with there. So if you take out, let's say 4.2.2, we have triangle. We have triangle EAB here again. And then yeah, what we want to do here is to say, okay, but now what is this A that they are talking about? If we are talking about that one, we are talking about this angle here, which consists of A1 plus A2. So this one here is going to be A1 plus A2.
Yes.
Now, what is going to be A1 plus A2? I think we can get that one. Because if we say all these are equal, it means what you can say, but now 3A1 is going to be 33.75. And then you divide by 3, you divide by 3. And then if you divide by 3, I agree you have an answer here. So you say your answer.
I get 11.25.
So you're going to say A1 is going to be 11.25.
25.
Okay, sure. But now when you're not looking for A1, you're looking for A1 plus A2 again.
Yeah.
What is going to be A1 plus A2?
22.50.
22.50. So we'll come and say, okay, this angle here, let's write it here. We have 22.50. So here we have 22.50. Okay, sure. Okay, now that you have that, then how do we proceed? All right. Before you continue, Jane, I still see Offenser's hand is up. Offenser, yes, you can tell me. Offenser?
Yeah, how did we get 20 something?
Remember, this is what we are told, Offenser. We are told that, remember, here, we are told that this angle plus this angle plus this angle, all of them are equal.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's write what is each one of them. So all in all, we got their angle. This is the angle. All of them, when they are combined, we know which all of them, they are 33.75. All of them when they are combined. Yeah? And then each one of them, what is each one of them? Each one of them is 11,25. So this one is 11,25 also. And then this one here is also 11,25. Can you see that one again?
Yeah, so you eliminated the one.
Yeah, because
eight.
because we are working on this triangle, which is triangle AEB. You see triangle AEB, it leaves this one out, this one here. So
Yes.
basically, we are going to leave this one outside. You see that one again?
Yes.
Yeah, because now we are in this triangle. So if I make it to be red here so that you can see it. So we have this one here. Does it make sense?
All right. Yeah, it makes sense now.
Yeah, so now we have these two angles here, Tina. The ones that are inside the red, these are the two angles. So if we add this one and this one, they're going to give us 22,50. Okay, so we have the angle. That's good. We do have the angle. So they will give us a mark for getting the angle because all in all, we have 5 marks. And then they will give us a mark for getting each angle. So far, we have 2 marks. We still want to get what is going to be AE. We are not any closer to getting AE because now we don't know what is this side. We don't know what is this side. We don't know what is this side. We don't know all the different sides. And then for us to get at least AE, we need at least one more side so that we can get AE. So I will propose that we go back to the previous triangle that we're using. Let's make that one with a different color so that you'll see what I'm talking about. If you go back to this triangle here, the original triangle, so this one here. So if you take this one here, there is something which is common between these two triangles. If we take triangle CAB and triangle EAB, there's something which is common. What seems to be common there?
Line AB.
Line AB again. Yeah, I can get AB using CAB because I know what is this. I also know what is this.
Yes.
Okay, how don't you get that, Jane?
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras, né? So according to Pythagoras,
Yes.
what will you say then?
R squared is equaling to x squared plus y squared.
Yeah, so it's going to be AC all squared, which is our hypotenuse side, okay? Is going to be equaling to AB all squared plus we have our BC, né? BC all squared, okay? And then we know what is AC. AC is 9 all squared. And then we know what is BC, okay? What is BC?
Yes. 5.
Yeah, so we'll say AB all squared is going to be plus 5 all squared, okay? And then from here onwards, you will take this 5 to this other side. If you take this 5 to this other side, it says 9 all squared, you have 81, minus 5 all squared, you have 25, okay? Which is going to be equaling to AB all squared. And then if you say this one and this one, let's check what you get.
56.
81 minus 25. You get 56. Huh?
Yeah.
56.
Okay, we got 56. AB is going to be 56. Okay, let's root here. If we say square root and square root here, it says AB is going to be equaling to root our answer. It gives us 2 root 14 again.
Root 14.
Yeah, we'll come and put it here. This is 2 root 14. But now this is also 2 root 14. How do you plan to proceed from here, Jane?
I'm going to say we have one side.
Yeah, we have one side. This side, is it adjacent to 22,50 or is it opposite to 22,50?
It's adjacent.
Okay, so now when you are looking for the hypotenuse side, which is AE,
yes.
And then you are looking for in your soccer tour, you are looking for something that has an adjacent and a hypotenuse. Which one is that?
Cos.
It's cos, no? Yeah. So we will say we have the cos of 22,50, which is going to be our adjacent side. What is your adjacent side?
Opposite over adjacent over hypotenuse.
Yeah, what is the adjacent side?
2 root 14.
It's 2 root 14 all over. What is your hypotenuse side?
AE.
So you have AE here. Okay, now what will you do from here then?
I will cross multiply.
Okay, we'll cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we're going to have AE, and then we're going to have cos of 22,50, which is going to be 2 root 14. And then what do you propose we do from here?
I propose we simplify cos 22.
Okay, let's divide to avoid making a mistake. Let's divide by cos 22,50. Cos 22,50. And then if we type
Why
this in
didn't
our
we just do
calculator
that?
and check what we get as an answer, AE is going to be, yes.
Why didn't we just do that Henter cross multiply?
We could have done that. Yeah, it would have made our life a little bit simple. Like, I think that was the best option. To cross multiply, take this one here and then take this one there. Yeah, we could have done that. That would have made our life a little bit simple. Okay, now we have answer all over the cos of 22,5. And then it's equals to, it gives us which A is going to be 8,1. 8,10. Ne? Yeah, it's going to be 8,10. Let's come and put it here now. We know what is this thing here. It means which from A to E, we'll tell them which it's, you're saying it's 8,10. Ne?
10.
Sure. Okay, so far so good. Who's next? Let's take Homoto now. Homoto. We're looking for DE. This part here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're looking for this part here.
So Mr. Wow.
Let's write all the things that we have. What do we know this one as to be? We know this one to be 2 root 14. Okay, yeah, so we're looking for this one here. Sure.
Yeah, so Mr. Oral, so Mr. like the angle which is 11,25.
Which one? This one here?
Yeah, Mr. Angry DE. Yeah, Mr. Wilson. So like
yeah,
like Mutalo is alone 8,
yeah. 0. This starting from A to E, it's 8,10. Okay? Yeah, so from here to here, it's 8,10. And then here it's 2 root 14 again. Yeah, so you propose we do what? Okay, we are at 4,2.3. So what do you propose we do first?
So Mr. The opposite side, hypotenuse adjacent.
We want something that has opposite.
In a linear opposite link.
Okay, let's check which triangle do you want us to use first. Let's start with that. Which triangle do you want to use? A, E,
D, Mr.
D.
Yeah, Mr.
Okay, but this one you can't use it because it doesn't have a 90-degree angle here. So this one doesn't work. These ones we can use them because they have a 90-degree angle. That one can we can't use that one.
Yes. Yes.
Can you assist?
Yes.
Okay, what do you propose we do here?
So first mistake, angle E.
You want angle E?
Yes, and then I'd use triangle AEB. AEB.
AEB.
E. Yes.
Okay, and then you want this angle here. Why do you want this angle, by the way, if I may ask?
So that kita gonna create that angle mola, and then ka create. Mr. You see along the way.
Okay.
I can't explain why.
Eh?
You see along the way, but then
I have a feeling which is not righteous. Like
Yes, yes, Mr.
Like
Mr. Can I assist?
Okay, how assist then? Yeah.
Yes. So, Mr.
Yeah.
Re tlo bereka ka triangle ABE angere.
ABE.
In
Okay,
triangle,
we are still working with this triangle here. ABE, sure.
yes. Then re na le di-side tsa AE and AB.
Yeah, we have the side AE and AB. So let's write this one. This one here, it's 8,10. Sure. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Then ke tlo re the length of DE angere is
BE.
equals to DE.
Yeah, BE.
DE is equals to
BE or DE?
B
I can't hear you correct. You want to say what? BE or DE?
DE.
BE.
BE, sure. BE, yeah.
BE, yeah.
Yeah.
BE is equals to BD plus DE.
You want to say BE is equaling to?
BD plus DE.
Is equaling to BD plus DE.
Mm.
Okay, that's true. Let me write that. So you are saying you want to say that BE is going to be given by BD plus DE.
Yes.
Okay, I'm listening.
Then re tlo nyakana le side la BD.
Okay, we can get the side BD. Ne?
Mm.
And then how do you propose we get the side of BD, which is this one again, this part here?
Mm. Mm.
Yeah.
Then can again angle A1 is opposite to the side of BD. Then
Okay,
re tlo
so
berekisa side
in triangle
triangle
ADB.
E.
Ne? So you want to talk about this one,
Or ADB.
ADB. Okay,
DB.
sure. Yeah.
Mm. Then re tlo re the sign of 11,25.
Okay, we can't use sign. You want to use sign because we don't know what is this hypotenuse side. Our sign, it wants us to have an opposite and a hypotenuse. So the way you do it, you do this thing. You are going to say,
sorry, mister.
yeah.
Tan.
You want to use what?
Tan.
10.
10. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, you want to say the 10 of 11,25 again.
Yes.
It's going to be equaling to BD
Mm.
all over
2 root
2
14.
root 14. Sure.
Yes.
And then you cross multiply.
Then, yes.
Okay, cross multiply, what do you get? You have 2 root 14, which is multiplied by the 10 of 11,25, which is going to be BD. Okay, let's type that and see what we get then. We have
1,5.
You get what?
1,5.
1,5.
Mm.
The tan of
10.
11,25. Ne?
Mm.
You say you got 1,5. Ne?
Mm.
So it means BD is equaling to 1,5. Okay, I can come and replace this one here. So instead of this one here writing BD, I can write it as 1,5. This one. So this one here is 1,5. But that's not what you're looking for. You're looking for DE again.
Mm.
Okay, what do you propose we do next?
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Let's get BE.
BE. Mm.
Yeah. You see BE here on this triangle again.
Yes.
Okay. We can use Pythagoras again.
Yes.
So we can say AE all squared is going to be given by AB all squared plus
BE
all
squared.
squared. Okay, AE is 8,10 all squared, which is going to be AB, which is 2 root 14 all squared plus EB all squared.
EB. Mm.
And then if you do this, what did you get? So you have 8,10 all squared minus 2 root 14 all squared, which is going to be EB all squared. You say root and then you say root. Therefore, what is going to be EB? Let's try typing this exactly the way it is in our calculator. So we're going to have root again. Open bracket. We have 8,10 all squared minus 2 root 14 again. And then we close our bracket and then we square. And then we say equals to, I'm avoiding to make many mistakes when I'm rounding off. So I just wanted to type it once. So it says which EP is going to be 3,1 again. So let's come and tell them here which what is this EP. So we know what is EP. EP here is equivalent to what? To 3,1.
3,1.
Okay. Then if EP is 3,1, what is going to be ED then?
We minus 3,1 with 1,5.
Yeah, so we say 3,1 minus 1,5 is going to be give us DE. Therefore, what is going to be our DE?
1,6.
1,6. And then we'll tell them which therefore it means which our DE is going to be equaling to what? 1,6. And then we get our 4 marks. So where are you going to get your 4 marks here? You're going to get your mark for getting EB. You're going to get a mark for getting BD using the trig ratio. And then you're also going to get a mark for the final answer. And then, guys, I think we can call it a day for today. And then